You have plugged in your USB drive. You have used it, finished up, closed all the folders and files. You click to eject your USB drive and you get this error message. Now that's not good. And you make sure, and it's driving you crazy. You don't know why it won't eject. You're afraid that if you just unplug it, it's going to mess up your drive, and it will. I have done that. You went into everything that you know to go to in an attempt to remove it, and it still won't remove. So what I want to show you is how to get this out, but there are several videos on YouTube or wherever online that instruct you, but they never carry you all the way through, and they always left me feeling as if I was going to mess up my drive or my computer, or I was going to go and have to find drivers. So I want to show you that this is safe. I have done this many times, and this is perfectly safe, and I want to carry you all the way through, even to unplugging it, plugging it back in, showing you that it works perfectly. So we will click OK, going to Start, right clicking, going to Device Manager, scrolling down all the way to System Devices. And then you will have Universal Serial Bus Controllers and USB connector managers. The one you want is the Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Down click it. At the bottom you will see the mass storage device. The USB mass storage device. That's the one that you want. That's your USB storage. So right click and go to uninstall device. Now this is where it always became fearful for me. I didn't know if I uninstalled it, well, what was I going to uninstall the drivers? Was I going to have to go find drivers? What was I going to mess my everything up? What was really going to happen? So I would never really do this, and I kept fighting and fighting and fighting until finally I got so fed up with it I just said I'm going to do it and see what happens. So I promise you this is safe. If you click uninstall, it will say uninstalling device. It takes about 30 seconds. Sometimes you'll get a warning. Usually I do a warning, okay, you're about to uninstall this device. Are you sure you want to do it? Yeah, I am. There it is. So then it says to finish removing the device, you must restart your computer. Well, I don't really want to restart my computer. I've got a lot of files opened or folders opened and programs opened, and I don't want to do that. And on Windows 10 you don't have to do it. Now I'm not certain about Windows 7 or 8, but I know on Windows 10 you don't have to restart your computer. So I say no. All right, it scrolled up and scrolled down. If we go look now, you see the USB mass storage device is no longer here. So it is gone. It is uninstalled. If we go to the plug and look to see it, you see it's not there either. So good. Okay, well that's what I wanted. Now I can safely unplug my USB device, and I'm going to do it right now. And you will see this. When I do, you will see this scroll up and then scroll back down again. Let's do that. I get this warning, your shadow file 20, whatever that I was working on. This is from the program that was giving me trouble. So I'm just going to say okay. You won't get that. You'll get maybe something else, but you won't get that. All right, now if we scroll back down, we see that it's still not there. So That's good. Everything's good. It seems so far. Now here's the real test. I'm going to plug it in again. You saw it scroll up, scroll back down. If I go down and look, and this is my Toshiba, my USB device opening up. So if we scroll back down again, we see that there is the mass storage device. It's reinstalled. It's opened it up just as it's supposed to do. Here is my Toshiba. If I click around in here, you'll see that all of my files and folders and everything are in here just as they should be. So it's working perfectly. Let's go on back, and here is my Toshiba. So it's working perfectly. I can now use it just as I should. I hope this has helped you. It's safe, it's secure, it will not damage your USB device, your storage unit. It will not damage your computer, and you will not need to go find drivers. I hope this has helped you. Thanks for watching.